Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust widget size and position in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then go to interface section and here open the gameplay HUD tab at the top of your screen. Now, using this feature you can enable or disable HUD visibility, but that's not exactly what we're looking for. If you click show more under the HUD visibility option, you can disable or enable each of the HUD elements. Unfortunately, you cannot directly change the size of them except for the player names. If you want to minimize the player names, you have to select icon only, and to maximize its size, select full name option. Now, you can also change the HUD bounds, which is the closest option to resizing your HUD widgets. If you select HUD bounds, you'll have to adjust the top and bottom parts of your monitor as well as the sides by just dragging them to create an area where you want your HUD to be positioned. And once you're content with the result, click apply. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.